Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to MVC tutorial channel. This is part 6 of Student Management System playlist using SP.NET MVC with AngularJS. Before you start this video, please watch previous video of this series. And in this part, I am going to show you Crud operation. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to SQL Server 2014, and here we have created this database, this DB student management system. And if I go to table diagram, new database diagram, okay, we can see here our database tables. So first of all, I'm going to insert this batch ID and batch name. So I'm going to Visual Studio and create this batch controller. So Solution Explorer, in this controllers folder, I'm going to create add controller and select MVC5 controller, empty, click add button, and I'm going to name batch controller and click add button. Okay, and here I'm going to just copy this action result, and for add new info, okay, and add view name, add new info, template empty without model, and user layout page, click add button. Okay, we have successfully created our page. Now I'm going to batch controller, and in this batch controller we need to list view. So I'm going to change this index name, list view, and add view, okay, and click add button. Okay, we have created list view page and entry page. So I'm going to add input some field for each batch ID and batch name. So now I'm going to create store procedure for save this TBL batch. So in this SQL server, this database, I'm going to programmability store procedure, new store procedure, okay, and we don't need these, we need to create procedure. So I'm going to store procedure name sp underscore insert batch, okay, and we need to add here parameter. So in this batch table we need this batch name. Okay, Control C and paste it here and remove the unnecessary code, and this envarchar .500 equal null. Okay, and we need to insert query, so I'm going to select this database and script table insert. Okay, and here I'm going to under ampersand and remove this. Okay, copy and paste it here. Okay, and click execute button. Okay, we have successfully created our stored procedure. If you want to see the stored procedure, you need to go to stored procedure, and here you can see here, and we can also modify this stored procedure as we can. Okay, now I'm going to Visual Studio and run this project. Previous video of this series we have created this page, so I'm going to Visual Studio and we need this text box and a button, so that's why I'm just going to copy it, and this add new info controller, I'm going to this go to view page, add new info and paste it here. Okay, and we need this page name batch, and we need to change txt batch. Okay, and hello btn save text. Okay, now I'm going to create data access layer for the save this batch table. So in this project I'm going to add new folder, and I'm going to give a name just like DAL, means data access layer. In this data access layer I'm going to create a class, add class, and batch DAL. Okay, we have created batch DAL. Now we need SQL connection, so SQL connection con equal new SQL connection connection manager dot connection string, and we need a name for my con str string dot connection string. Okay, and we need to make this connection string in web config. So I'm going to Solution Explorer, this web config, and in this connection string we need a new connection string for our SQL server. So I'm going to just copy this connection string and paste it here and give this name and paste it here, and we need data source. We don't need this, so remove it, and we need SQL server name, this dot. So just dot here, and we need initial catalog, so just remove it, and we need this database name, just copy it and paste it here. Okay, and integrated security true, everything is all okay. And okay, and now we need to create a method for insert data. So public void add new info dal. Okay, and we need to pass here database, our database column name. So we need to batch ID and batch name. So I'm going to create another folder, and I'm going to give a name DAO. Okay, data object. In this DAO I'm going to add class batch DAO. Okay, and we need public integer this batch ID get set. Okay, and just copy it once more time, and this batch name. Okay, okay, and string. Okay. And this batch DAO we need to add our DAL. So here I'm going to add it, and we need to import from reference. This reference we need to add, and I'm going to give a name here, a DAO. Okay, and we need SQL command com equal new SQL command, and in this SQL command we need to use this store procedure name, just we have already created, okay, and paste it here. Then use this connection, okay, and this com dot common type equal common type stored procedure, okay, and we need to add also some batch parameter for this batch name parameter we have used as a parameter. So command dot parameters dot add with value this add dot batch name, okay, and we need to use this batch name parameter here, okay, and close it. Then we need to con dot open and com dot execute non-query and con dot close, okay. We have created our DAL. Now we need to use this method in our controller. So in this batch controller I'm going to add JSON method for public JSON result add new info, okay, and we need this down, so I'm going to just paste it here and reference, okay. Now we need write string message equal empty string and try catch. In this try catch, okay, we need to use this patch DAL. So just here I'm going to patch DAL a DAL equal new patch DAL, okay, and need to reference here a DAL dot, we need this add new and we pass this parameter, okay, then we need to message operation successful. Okay, and in catch we need operation failed. Okay, and we need to return JSON, so return JSON this message comma JSON behavior allow it. Okay, and close it. Okay, we have successfully created our controller. Now we need to Ajax controller, so I'm going to Solution Explorer, and in this script section we need this test controller JS. We're going to modify this JS, so I'm going to just copy and paste it here and give a name. Batch controller JS. Okay, and this name just copy it and paste it here. Okay, and in this function we need also a parameter for HTTP. Okay, and we need here save data. Okay, and this dollar scope dot this text equal save. Okay, this text value name will be save data. Okay, and we need scope this save data function. Okay, scope this text will be changed and the text will be saving. Okay, and we need this HTTP and okay method post URL slash this batch controller name slash then this controller. Okay, then we need data scope dot this patch down. Okay, then dot success function a second bracket this scope dot this btn save text equal this save and this scope patch down equal null and alert this a message. Okay, and okay, we going to remove this dot if not success error function alert failed. Okay, and now run this project. Okay, we are getting this error because add new info we make the same name, so we need to change here. I'm going to this batch controller and I'm going to change this name save underscore info. Okay, and just copy it and paste it here. Okay, this batch controller JS, and now we need in adding info we need to add AngularJS script link. So here is our Angular main JS script link, so just drag and drop here. Okay, and also this batch controller JS. Okay, here is our batch controller JS. Okay, okay, save it in input button we need here second bracket. Okay, just cut it and close it here. And we also need here I'm going to just controller this batch down dot this batch name. Okay, okay, and also we need to change this controller name, so we need to use this batch controller, Ctrl C, copy and paste it this batch controller JS, and also this. Okay, okay, and I'm going to just 3. Okay, and solution explorer, view in browser. Okay, you can see here save button showing. If I click batch 01 and click save, okay, you can see operation successful. Okay, and also text has been removed and it's showing save. And if I go to SQL Server and in this TBL batch edit all rows, we can see here, okay, we getting null value, so we need to fix our bugs. So this, okay, we need to in this batch controller we need this batch name. Okay, and I'm going to paste it here, and again view in browser. Okay, and write batch 1, click save button. Okay, operation successful. And SQL Server, click execute here. Okay, we got here batch name has been successfully saved. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next part of this series. Have a great day.